In terms of women's representation in the cybersecurity space, it's in an interesting place. So there's a positive story and a not so positive story. So a few years ago, the number was roughly 11% of the cybersecurity employee population being female. And as at about 2020, it's now 20%. So that's the positive story. It's almost doubled in percentage point terms. But in any case, 11% or 20%, it's still too low. It needs to be bigger. We have a wealth of talent in the female sector of our economy. So why not bring it to the fore? This JISEC, 2021 is a big side of it, because I think in years gone past, maybe a conversation about women's participation was just maybe one small session. So that's already progress. But beyond JISEC, you've got businesses that are actually properly engaging with this and really realizing that, we've got to support our women in this industry. Well, I think first of all, JISEC needs a huge congratulations for the ambition of what they're trying to do. They are trying to do in-person events in the midst of a pandemic, and it's working and it's safe. And it's important for people to be in the room to talk about this issue, because it's one of those issues that I think it does merit the face-to-face interaction, the body language, the really conversing, because it's quite an emotive issue as well. So just in having an in-person conference is doing a lot for this issue of kind of women in cybersecurity. And then just generally providing a platform for cross-pollination of so many different ideas from different sectors, different industries, different players, governments, national bodies. So getting the chance to get practical, and I think this is my third point, getting really practical, not just talking about the theory and abstract concepts, but what can we actually do? What tangible actions will take us forward on this issue?